Just like the video we just watched, the colors of the video change on the music beat, which looks truly engaging. In today's tutorial, let's take a look at how to achieve this effect easily. Okay, let's get the tutorial started. To make the most of this effect, we want our original footage to come with rich colors. Thus, in the pre-production stage, we can use a colorful background, wear colorful clothes. Anyway, the richer the colors in the video, the better the final work we get. After we prepare the footage and the background music, let's open up VideoProc Vlogger. Add a music file to audio track. Then let's mark the music beats. We can hit the audio button on the toolbar to enter the audio editor and then hit Analyzer. Choose Audio Beat as an Analyze mode, then we hit Analyze. VideoProc Vlogger starts to analyze the music beat, and we now get many red and green dots on the audio waveform. We just need to add markers to the position indicated by the red dots. Press Apply to get back to the main interface. We've already marked the music beats. Next, let's drag the footage onto audio track. Hit this button to scale the video to the proper size. Then we hit Color on the toolbar or the button here. To open the color in the filter editor, navigate to HSL. Let's drag the saturation sliders, all these 7 colors, to the lowest value. Hit Apply. After that, let's use the Split tool. Based on the markers we just added, we split the video into many small parts. Now let's get the color grading work started. Red is the first color we see in the sample video, so let's select the second clip and enter the color in the filter editor. In the HSL section, we can adjust the saturation value for the red and the magenta to make the color of the red clothes appear. But we can find a door located on the left also appears. Let's hit Apply. Right-click the clip on the video track, hit Copy or press Ctrl and C. Then right-click on the overlay track, hit Paste. Then we click on Crop to enter the crop panel. Adjust the selection box on the left to keep only the frames on the right, which shows the girl in red. We can drag the progress bar to make sure we have the girl in red in a selection range. Hit Apply. Then we adjust the size and position of the footage to make it overlap the original footage on the video track. Now let's click on the clip on the video track, and then enter the color in the filter editor. In the HSL section, we set the saturation value for red and magenta to 0. That's all for editing the red color according to the music beat. In the same way, we can add the yellow color. The blue color takes a large part of the footage, so I didn't separate it to make the edits. Anyway, you can take whatever proper ways to create a video based on your own footage. That's all for editing video colors to the music beat. Alright, now you've reached the end of today's video. If you want to learn more video and audio editing tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video. Happy enjoy! Bye!